What if the BMW Dakar legend were to be reborn in a modern form? This is the story of the BMW R80 GS, the adventure pioneer that continues to inspire the GS generation to this day. Before discussing this custom motorcycle, we must go back to 1980, when the BMW R80 GS was born and changed the way the world viewed adventure motorcycles. Equipped with a 797 cubic centimeters boxer twin engine, the R80 GS offered a combination that felt revolutionary at the time, comfortable for long-distance travel, yet still rugged when the pavement ended and challenging off-road terrain began. The R80 GS's reputation grew even more legendary through the Paris-Dakar rally. Hubert Auriol's victories in 1981 and 1983 proved that the BMW GS concept wasn't just for touring. It could also hold its own in extreme terrain. This legacy remains a vital part of the GS family's DNA and continues to shape BMW's adventure motorcycles to this day. Now, that spirit seems to have been reborn through the BMW nineT Scrambler Custom by Bunker Custom Cycles, a builder based in Istanbul, Turkey. Based on the 2024 RnineT Scrambler, this bike has undergone a major transformation, drawing direct inspiration from the R80 GS and the 1980s Dakar era. The result? A modern look that actually feels like it's taking us back to the heyday of BMW Enduro. The most striking changes are visible at the front. The headlights have been raised by about 3 centimeters and are paired with a rally-style fairing, high fenders, and Denali S4 fog lights that integrate seamlessly. The fuel tank also features a custom cover in a combination of white, blue, and red that evokes classic BMW graphics. Meanwhile, the seat, side panels, rear section, and luggage rack have been redesigned using glass fiber reinforced plastic, giving the design a clean yet aggressive look. Interestingly, Bunker isn't chasing extreme performance. The 1,170 cubic centimeters boxer twin engine remains unchanged, producing around 109 horsepower, complete with a 2x2 exhaust system and 2 tall mufflers. So, here's an intriguing combination: modern technology, classic design, and the spirit of the Dakar, all in one package. It's not just a custom motorcycle, but a fresh take on the legendary R80 GS. A reminder that BMW's classic enduro style can still look incredibly modern today. Thanks for watching.